Where's the attendance list? Go Chang Kai. Go Chang Kai not here. Fun is here. Right? Fun, Fun not feeling well. Go Chang Kai not here. Hong Ki Hang. What happened? Hong Sen Su. Okay. Okay. Tell Su that get ready for my love letter. I will send him a love letter, and he might need to go see HOP and also see Dean already. Huh? Okay, let's continue. What is the 11? Huh? We have 9 more questions to go, then we end the session. What is the major disadvantages of using pure project or project organization structure? What is the major disadvantages? What can you elaborate from what you understand? Project organization chart. Can you draw a project organization chart? No longer functional, but it's project. Under them, they are functional unit. Means they can share one. Okay. For example, this personnel A, his or her name can appear here. Yeah, in a project organization chart, all these are functional. For example, engineering, machining. But the technician of machining A here, for example, Ali Ahmad, can be shared in here. His name can appear another place of the organization chart. So this is under project organization. So what is here? If I draw something, this one on the whiteboard here, what happens if you are this person? What do you feel if you are this person? If you are this specialized person, or you are for example, you are very good in welding, but you are assigned to under manager here and project manager here. Huh? Huh? Feel needed. Advantages. Of course, you have a sense of achievement, or I can help to program. But what is the disadvantages? Busy, okay, busy. You have a different priorities that cause conflict. You have a different priorities that can cause conflict. You have a power struggle. You have a power struggle, or can use a power conflict also. The word is conflict. So you can, in terms of power conflict or power struggles between the projects, because actually you are sharing. Let's say you are the machining engineer here, or you are the quality control or quality engineer here, but you share with another project manager. So you might be struggling between the two project manager. Okay, let's say, or two project manager want you to complete the 2 tasks in 1 week, cannot. Right, you'll be confused, or you'll be overloaded. And then because this project manager projectized organization structure, you have a different priority. This one we say already. You are shifting people between projects will cause delay, because if you have a project manager, they feel that their project is more important, so you're going to shift. You're going to ask this A personnel here, hey, you have to give priority to my projects. So there's a delay over here lah. Okay, so you give priority here already, ma. Let's say you're the same person manage two project, but one project manager asks you to give priority, so another one will have delay one. Okay. Okay. Another point is to me is a bit not so important, but you can write reduce ability to gain specialized skill. Reduce ability to gain specialized skill. So some of you, because you work under projects, you might multitask. You do almost everything. Right? This part you do something a little bit. This one you do a little bit, something like that. Or you don't have the specialized skill. Okay. Functional is different. Function one, you have a very specialized engineer there. But project one is like, okay, you can do this one. Okay, I'll give you do. Then after project end, okay, close shop lah. Okay, tutup kedai. Okay. Okay, 12. What is the major disadvantages of matrix type organization structure? Okay, the one that I draw on the whiteboard there. What's the major disadvantages? 12. Hey, sorry. I just now I give you the wrong answer lah. Just now I give you one is number 12 one. Sorry. Yeah, reverse back. Okay, 11 one, disadvantages of pure project structure. I read the wrong answer. Okay, question 11, disadvantages is flexibility in the use of resources is limited. So you have less flexibility in the resources. Okay. Resources cannot be easily transferred to other projects. We keep repeating the projects. Okay. The resources cannot be easily transferred between the projects. That can cause additional costs. That can result additional costs. Again, resources again. Resources, it might be held by the projects longer than necessary, resulting lost opportunities. Because the projects manager might hold the resources a bit long, so that it will result that other project manager cannot beat the project because they don't have sufficient resources. Okay. Motivating project team might be challenging because the projects consider temporary. So the sense of belonging is not there. It's like, okay, after project A finish, then close shop, then start a new one. It's like, hey, where I be? Yes, I'm the employee of this company, but it's like I'm a soccer ball, no? I kick here, kick there. It might be challenging for the motivation of employee. Okay, and job security also. Okay. This one is this one is the pure projects. This one is the project. This is metric. Metrics is your project manager have the same level as the functional manager. I just twist this one down. So if you put this one up, they are same level, but they share the same. I mean the direction of authority. They go this way, and the function go this way. There's a intersect of authority here. Yeah. I just simplify the more detailed one. You look into the PowerPoint slides. Okay. All right. So during test or exam, final exam, I won't look very detailed in this one. As long as you have the structure, you have the correct keyword, then it's fine. I don't go and count, or you must be four level or what. But you give me the structure, the important structure, then okay already. Okay, then of course you don't leave it blank here lah. Fill in the blank. Okay, number 12 there, just now I give you the wrong answer for 11. So for the matrix one, you have a power struggle, priority, cost, conflict, shifting people within project, cost, delay, ability to get specialized skill is a lot. So you can see here the differences between the just now is what? 11 is a project, right? 11 is 11 is project. So I compare side by side. So you can see this one is a big mixture of resources. So everyone will grab the resources. So there's a power struggle will be higher over here. Of course, other you say can there any power struggle happen? Yes, but not as strongest as metrics. Because the traditional one already well defined your job scope, your department, what you do already. But here you have all same level. Okay, because of the authority, you are in the same level. So you cannot order me, I cannot order you. So we have to negotiate. So if I don't want to do work, everyone no need to do work. Okay, I don't want to do work, then the project will stop and then everyone will be waiting for you, me, they. Okay, number 13, organization structure may be vary depending on the needs of organization. It may be necessary to establish and manage a project in manner that is different from how an organization structure. What factors should be considered when determining appropriate structure of managing a project? This one is within our slides, lecture slides on selecting organization chart. So what do you think? What is the factor you need to consider? This word, resources, available resources. Then link with the resources is what? The expertise or talent you have. Okay, resources and talent you have. And then what else? Here is what the word mentioned, project, right? So what can you elaborate from the word projects? Turn it into factor. Project, what? How you describe that project? Project size. Okay, project size. And then what? You have the three main keyword for the project success: time, cost, and customer scope, right? So managing project size, there's one factor you need to consider: project size, project duration. Project size, project duration, resources you have or available resources, your project location, and the experience of the personnel, experience of the project personnel, means the one who handle the project, the experience, the level of experience. Okay. Project size, project duration, available resources, project location, experience of a project personnel. Okay. 14. Describe characteristic of each of the following PMO, project management office structure. So you have a supportive, controlling, and directive. This one is not inside my slide, so I'll give you the answer. So what is the inside the project management office structure? You have three main type of or characteristic of PMO structure. If you are supportive, you are more on consultant or consultative roles. Okay, if you're supportive, in the PMO office, project management office, and you're under supportive, your role is supportive, then you are more in consultation. Consultation means you give trainings, you share the knowledge. So on, Controlling, the word is compliance. So controlling is that you look into regulation, rules, what are the specifications you need to follow. The word is governance or compliance. Compliance to what? Normally compliance to rules, law, standard. Okay. Directive is you control of the projects and manage project directly. Directive means that you can imagine the word director. Director, they are the one who take control of the projects. Directive. Okay. Okay. Supportive, controlling, directive. So by having this slide, this description, when you write answer in your test or final exam or in your assignment, don't chin chai go and use these 3 words. Be careful when you use directive, controlling, and supportive, this word. Okay, it means differently in the project management. Okay, so describe 3 elements. Oh, this one I think we do this one before. Talent triangular in chapter 2. What are the 3? Just a revision, okay. It's just a revision, and there is a new revision of that. So there is a technical project management, 1 element, strategic business management skill, and leadership skill. So there's a technical skill, business skill, leadership skill. Okay, technical skill or technical management skill, business management, and leadership skill. This is under the Project Management Institute. They copyright the talent triangular. It's a very important. If you take certification for PMI, for project management courses, this one will sure come out. Okay, the latest one, they just changed the triangular into another wording. Technical, they changed it the way of working. They changed the business management into business acumen, and leadership they changed to power skill. Okay. Right. Number 16 again, it asks you to refer to the PM book guide that is available in the Canvas. So you can refer to section 3.4.5, means chapter 3, section 4, subsection number 5. For each of following, indicate whether the function of leadership or management, whether it's a function of leadership or management. So you just fill in the blank. Administrative is so there's this one, you see this table in the PM book in the Canvas. You just go to that section. You see this one. So I just go back to the question. So for administrative, they are management. Developing, develop the team. Develop is a leadership role. Control is management. You admin, control is a management. Focus on system and structure. This one is management. You manage the system, you manage, right? Leadership is more on engaging the people. More on the, you deal with people. Management is deal with the rules, authority, organization chart. This one. Okay, engaging innovation leadership. Okay, because there's like no rules for innovation. There's no rule like, oh, innovation must be this way. No one. Okay. Long range vision, this is the leadership. Because you cannot set vision using rules or organization chart or companies, guidelines, handbook, you cannot. Okay. Ensuring things good, this is management. Ensuring things are done right is more management, because you can have a standardization, standard, handbook is more management. Again, leadership is more on people, more on things that you cannot fix with the rules and regulation. Okay. Challenge the status quo. This one is leadership. Challenges the status quo is a leadership. The full one is you refer to the table that I'll show you just now. Okay. 17, review. So this one is which is enterprise environment factor, or the business environment factor, EEF, and which one is organization process asset, OPA. So this one also not in my slides, so I give you the answer. So organization culture is EEF. Of course, you want to know more about EEF, OPA, refer to the attachment in the canvas inside the PM book. It's a very detailed explanation there. Okay. So again, you see environment factor. Just now also we mentioned culture. Okay. Infrastructures, you know, infrastructure is enterprise environment. Risk data is on the asset. Risk data is on the asset. Risk appetite is on the environment. Lesson learned is on the asset. Lesson learned, it can be filed under IP, so it's under asset. Employee capability, this one is environment. Policies, procedure is under asset. Policies and procedures under asset. Okay, because this one is organization process, process, asset, process. So process deal with the procedure. Marketplace condition, this one is a factor. Marketplace is more on the environment. Okay. Okay, the last two, true or false question. Determine question statement true or false. Someone is the best engineer in the company, has come up with the idea how to generate income to the projects. Everyone in the company know that Jeremy is an expert in the field and trusts his decision. There is 8 people assigned to the project team, and most of them will be part-time except of Jeremy, who will be full-time manager. So this is a scenario. Okay. Now, okay. So of course, in the test or final exam, I won't give you true or false. Try to imagine how do I change this question into definition, organization chart question, and explain how to decide the correct organization chart. Okay. Now, best organization form of this project would be weak matrix. False. This one you refer to the table that we learned just now. The weak matrix, the strong matrix, and project and traditional one. That one. Okay. So again, this question I can modify to ask you the definition, selection of the correct this one. Okay, maybe even I can put the question 9 inside here. Question 9 or question 3 inside here. Okay. So the employees will need to get permission from their functional manager for all decision of projects. Correct or not? False. This is because why? You already have what? Full-time project manager here already. You already have full-time project manager. So you have more towards the project's organization chart already. It can be strong metrics, but it was towards the project's manager already. Okay. Okay. The last one. This type of organization form, action item tends to be resolved quickly. True or false? True. Because you have a full-time staff already. Okay. 19, same one, true or false? We give you another scenario. Alan has been placed in charge of project that is expected to last close to 2 years. 2 years is a long time. The project is high importance to the company, and functional manager has agreed to allow assigned resources. So this one seems that they have a good communication between the project managers and the functional managers. Be assigned the resources to be committed full-time to this project for the duration of the projects. Most likely structure of this project will be project organization form. True or false? Why false? What is the characteristic if you refer to question 3 and question 9? he placed in charge, he placed in charge of the project. The first sentence tell you already. They already have a project manager there. Okay, project manager there, and then agree, functional agree. It give project is a high importance to the company. Means project is very important. So the answer is true. Okay. Okay. If it's a traditional organization form, normally you'll see the keyword functional manager. It will give more emphasis, keep repeating functional manager things. Give priority to the resources. You keep mentioning functional managers. Okay. So Ellie would have responsibility for weight and salary administration for the assigned resources. True or false? True. Why? Because this is a project organization form already. So when you have project organization form, you are the full-time staff, you able to give some authority or full charge of that projects. Ellen can expect to have the best functional resources assigned to her project. Can expect to have the best functional resources assigned to her. Best functional resources assigned. The textbook answer is false. Okay. Why is false? Yeah. So have the best functional resources. Here, here to me is a bit arguable. But the textbook answer is false. Answer is false. Okay. Why I think it's false? You look at the organization chart. Below the project manager, all are functional members. The word here is best functional resources. Let's say Ali is here. Ali is here. Are we able to get the best resources? No. Because you are sharing resources. You're not able to get the best resources if you are under project, because you are actually sharing resources. It can be appeared many times. Maybe Ali will appear another here. Maybe it can. Depend on the size of the company. If your company is small, then you are like multi-purpose stuff. You involved in almost all the projects. Okay. So yeah. So we stop here. Okay, any question for your assignment?